Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. Selamat pagi semuanya guys. Selamat siang ya. Siang ini ya. Oke, jadi seperti yang udah sesuai judul ya. Dikit lagi loh sini guys, gua Marsal guys. Gue tuh ngeliat si Bion ya. Kayaknya pakai support itu enak banget guys dia guys. Dia pakai support tuh bener-bener enak banget loh. Dia tuh antara pakai AKS ya kalau nggak salah ya. Coba ya modif, kita coba kita tes. Harusnya sih pakai ini yang sih guys. Enak banget ya. Mungkin tapi cuma mungkin berisik banget guys. Jadi kayaknya gue harus ini dah. Harus apa namanya? Cara keluar gimana sih? Ini ya lift. Muzzle. Muzzle-nya gue pakai suppressor kali ya. Bion pakai suppressor semua bro. Kontrol lah ini nih bagusnya kayak kontrol nih. Coba ya kita coba lagi ya. Enteng banget bro. Udah the best ini the best. Jangan pakai toxic bro, pakai yang ini bro. Langsung saja.
Have a shot of this, mate.
Aduh kretek lagi.
War has torn this land apart, leaving it cracked. And GTI is determined to extend the conflict. Hold position as they launch an assault on our objectives. If you are pushed back, set up defenses in the buildings beyond the highway and pin them down while our tanks squash them. Truth will
Defender kita bro.
Attention, enemy incoming. Missiles, fire! All personnel to the front line immediately!
Ya beda senjata, beda orang beda senjata ya. Ya elah gue udah setting bro. Gue udah setting loh.
Guard your sectors. Keep attacking until they retreat.
Phone screen released. Faster! Hey, team! Badger here!
Gak enak banget nyatanya.
Advise, enemy troops are attacking objective Alpha.
Berat banget nyatanya. Terlalu enteng nih, bukan berat.
Hold on.
Pada kemana musuhnya, Le?
Do something while it lasts. You look better, mate.
Kena, Le.
The enemy has taken objective Alpha.
Doctor is here. Find a bullet. You'll be fine. Surely killed him. Quiet suppression. Need help.
The enemy is
Lu
attacking
keentengan banget,
objective
bro.
Alpha.
Look out. Feeling better?
Terlalu enteng.
The enemy has suffered minimal losses. We must remain vigilant.
Take some cover!
Dari kiri. Enak ini, enak senjata ini AKS ya.
Thanks, mate. Get some shade. Try not to get yourself hurt, alright?
Ya Allah malah
Smoke
ini
screen
tuh.
incoming.
I'm in for ya.
Smoke barrage ready.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Alpha.
Kalau depan dibantu jangan ini apa ya?
Artillery barrage ready.
Mind the bullet.
Advised,
You'll be
enemy
fine.
troops are attacking objective Alpha. They've lost more than half of their troops. Maintain defensive lines. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Alpha.
Hey!
Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
Thanks a lot.
Kena bro. Gear seru banget, seru banget, seru.
I need help. Doctor is here.
Kena lagi bro.
Medic! Over here!
Damn, seru banget men.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Alpha.
One die
Objective
while I'm
Alpha
around.
lost.
Open banget le, salah le.
Do not be afraid. You will see the bullet that ends you. We're over the halfway mark. Stay sharp and keep moving.
Smoke screen cover!
Reloading, cover me.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Enemy soldier!
The enemy has taken objective Bravo 2.
Aduh, Gue ngeliatin ada si Riken. Ada Rikon coy. Ada Rikon gitu tuh.
The enemy forces are down to half. This sector will be ours.
I'm in for you.
You saved my life. Thanks.
Man down! Man down! He's firing!
Enemy right there.
Injured! Help me!
Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 1.
Hey! I'm being picked up!
Ah, sniper mulu lele.
Somebody! You're lucky to have me!
Thank you. Changing mag.
Hey, smoke screen!
Tahan le.
Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Enemy neutralized! Doctor is here!
Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Saved my
The
life.
enemy has taken objective Bravo 2.
Take some cover! Healing in progress!
Attention. Objective Bravo 2 is now under enemy control.
Bite the bullet, you'll be fine.
Copy. Vehicle drop
Aduh. 21 repep guys kita guys.
Allied forces are attacking objective Bravo 2. Be advised. Enemy
Dating
troops are
kah?
attacking objective Bravo 1.
Do something,
Enemy
why
is
not?
severely depleted. Continue to attack and secure this sector.
Try not to get yourself hurt, alright?
I feel much better.
Lah, orang itu Le.
Allied forces are clearing objective Bravo 2.
There. Keep suppressing them. That's teamwork.
Strategic beacon attacking objective Bravo 1.
Enggak.
Loading new mag. Contact.
Doctor is here.
Dokter Rizky.
Combatants in objective Bravo 2 have been eliminated.
Reloading.
Enemy is faltering. It's our chance to keep attacking.
I'm reloading. Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
You've looked better, mate. Thank you. Splendid. Hurry up.
Need medic. I need aid.
Objective Bravo 2 has been captured by the enemy. Adjust tactics.
Kenapa di atas pada ini dah? Dikit lagi gue 18.
Tracking. Hostile detected. Medic.
Get some shade.
Nggak kepencet repep bro, sorry dah. Tuh udah bisa rudal tuh dia tuh. Jadi kita tanpa rudal bro.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 1.
That was close.
Nice sih bro.
Guided missile ready.
The enemy has captured objective Bravo 2. Take it back. Enemy
Menang.
troops break our lines. Our defensive position holds
Gila,
strong.
tanpa rudal kita, bro.
Operation accomplished.
Beh, best squad lagi bro. Squad kita top atas semua tuh. Dapat langsung. Kita gunakan langsung. Tadi gue pakai ini ya. QC. Terlalu enteng gila ini ternyata. Nggak bisa gua. Mungkin muzzle-nya kita kasih suppressor kali ya. Ini kenapa nggak cocok di gue ya? Coba kita pakai salah. Cara biar ini gimana ya? Oh ini dia. Oh gue udah ada satu deh. Muzzle mana mana sih muzzle? Oh ini dia nih. Gue mau ngikutin si Bion itu ya. Kayaknya dia tuh make inian semua deh, make apa namanya? Make suppressor semua, bro. Kayaknya dia, bro. Kayaknya ya. Ya Allah, terang banget. Gak enak. Tidak enak. Berarti udah bener pakai yang ini gua. Paling tinggal dirubah ininya nih, skopnya ya. Tadi gua pakai skop apa ya? Ini gua ubah-ubah malah gak enak nih jadinya. Ini mainin akan mana di sini gak? Coba kita muzzle-nya kasih ya. Aduh. Masih kurang loh menurut gua. Handlingnya kali ya. Foregripnya kita kasih. Kok oh ini belum di iniin ya? $800 ya. Ini lebih better lah. Tapi ini jarak dekat ini sih. Nggak bisa jauh gua makin. Lanjut. Shotgun ini belum kepake ya.
Good health to you, bruv.
Nah ini general semua nih. Jangan kreket lagi lah bro, bosen bro. Apa ya?
Negotiations have failed. War has torn this land apart, leaving it cracked. And GTI is determined to extend the conflict. Hold
Kreket
position as they
main
launch
cepet
an
ini.
assault on our
Iya
objective.
nggak sih bro?
If you are pushed back, set up defenses in the buildings beyond the highway and pin them down while our tanks squash them.
Tadi gue pakai senjata apa ya? AKS ya.
Attention, enemy incoming. Missiles, fire! All personnel to the front line
Semoga lawannya
immediately.
gampang guys. Kita langsung buang aja nggak sih biar dapat banyak inian nanti.
Protect your sectors and hold your ground. They're going to come hard and fast.
Space Queen release.
Nyerah semua tuh. Lu kena dari mana, Le? Ya ampun, kok jebol sih?
Not very much.
Be advised. Enemy
Aduh, ada beacon tuh di dalam tuh, fix. Jebol sih, bingung banget gua, bro. Ada beacon itu harusnya tuh di dalam. Udah jebol ini apa ini yang itu?
Well done. Hey, smoke screen.
Wesh.
Always on the front. Watch the blood.
enemy has cleared objective Alpha.
Aduh.
The enemy has suffered minimal losses. We must remain vigilant.
Smoke barrage ready.
Smoke screen cover.
Bisa nggak sih kalau ini tuh jangan di itu gitu loh, jangan di apa? Jangan menyerah dulu, bro. Meskipun defender juga
Thank you.
matanya ditabrak.
The enemy has taken objective Alpha.
Aduh, ngepron gitu loh dia, nggak bisa masuk aku, Le. Anjir, masuk dia turun.
Battle is not over yet.
Do not be afraid. You will see the bullets that end you.
Fire support.
Leaving the combat
Nggak mati dia terakhir kali tuh tadi.
objective Bravo 1.
Aduh, susah banget ya dia bunuh dia.
Good to have you. Hold on, I'll get you up.
They've sustained minimal losses. We need to keep defending the sector.
Friendly injured. Where's the medic? Loading ammo. Enemy incoming. Cease fire support. Reloading.
Enemy is attacking objective
Anjay,
Bravo.
kaget gua. Rame kali di situ ada beacon itu kah? Aduh, sekarang 11 bro, tadi kedua.
Another mine arrow.
Sehingga gitu banget ya.
Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 1.
Cover your ears. Thunder's coming. Don't struggle. Man down. Man down.
Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Swapping that. Thanks, mate.
Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Reloading.
The enemy has taken objective Bravo 2.
Ish.
Heads down.
Alhamdulillah. Duh, jauh, kalau senjata jauh gitu kurang ya. B1-nya bro.
The enemy has cleared objective Bravo 2.
Enemy off balance.
Objective Bravo 1.
Aduh, anjay, kena jay. Ya mati juga dia.
Allied forces are engaging at objective Bravo 1. The enemy has taken objective Bravo 2.
Kagak sakit-sakit le.
We have cleared objective Bravo 1. Press on.
Kagak mati-mati anjir. Bingung gua.
Strategic beacon deployed.
Buat jauh kurang kan?
Our forces have taken full control of objective Bravo 1. Advance. Enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 1.
Reloading. Buat jarak jauh kurang kayak ini. Kagak mati-mati sih, bingung gua. Ini ada beacon ini nih. Pakai sniper gelo. Kalau nggak sih, bro?
Come to my aid!
Di jam shoot lele. Menang lagi kayak ini.
The enemy has taken objective Bravo 1.
Target off balance!
Objective Bravo 1 was captured by enemy forces.
This way!
Aduh, keramaian bro, nggak bisa keramaian banget.
Thanks to you!
Astagfirullahaladzim, tanknya.
Enemy has cleared objective Bravo 2. The enemy in objective Bravo 1 has been neutralized. Objective Bravo 2 was captured by enemy forces. Allied forces have taken objective Bravo 1. Allied forces are clearing objective Bravo 2.
Let's make it quick!
Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking
Nggak bisa,
objective
kagak ada
Bravo
inian
1.
tuh. Nice ngedik tuh.
The enemy's forces are
Target
dwindling.
gua belum.
Hold the line.
Thanks a lot! Just hold on. We'll be fine.
Kena lagi.
Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 1. Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming. Combatants in objective Bravo 2 have been eliminated. The enemy is on their last leg. Our victory is close.
Artillery barrage ready. Smoke barrage ready.
Kena mulu gua.
We've passed the halfway point of the operation. It's not over yet.
anjir lewat atas
Objective
gua.
Bravo 1.
Lewat atas gua, bre.
Copy. Vehicle dropped to target location.
Hai,
Held the line
situ
and
loh.
the sector is secured. Operation complete. Well done.
Complete. Well done. Ya, bukan gua, guys. Ribu ditabrak gelo. Tersingkirkan lele. Gila ya, seru banget ya. 500 doang, bro.
Have a shot of this, mate.
Bentar, guys.
1 hour ago. DTI forces secured evidence that Havoc is developing.
Ntar pas lagi main ada alarm lagi kan.
Your mission is simple. Penetrate their defensive lines and seize the biotoxins. When the flare goes up,
Aduh,
conduct a
attacker lagi di
swift
sini
and
lagi, bro.
aggressive
Attacker, bro.
attack. Clearing the train yard and tunnels of any Havoc forces before advancing to the lab. If we fail, who knows
pakai
what
recon aja
horrors
sih,
will be
recon.
unleashed on the world.
Kita tabrak ujung ya. Langsung taruh beacon ya.
Neutralize
Ya,
the
konvoy
enemy
kita, Le.
and take over all sectors. Allied troops neutralizing objective Alpha.
Salah ini gua, salah karakter, bro.
Ready to go. Exoskeleton activated. Smoke out.
Got them pinned down.
Hah? Kok kena siapa itu gua? Nggak bisa, bro, kalau gua taker mah. Taker nggak enak banget, Le. kebakar lagi. Bener-bener nggak bisa gua teker bro.
Wait for my intel.
Anjay, sakit banget le. Malah di
Many thanks. Get back in the fight.
kena. Tahu lah, pusing gua kalau pakai attacker ini le.
Still have plenty of troops. Keep attacking.
Mati semua tuh, lihat tuh. (13 kill dia. Apa sih baru gerak kita kena loh.
Allied troops neutralizing objective Alpha.
Take some cover!
Kagak sakit pisan tuh.
Swapping back. Hostiles detected. Follow the plan.
Mana dia anjir? Nyangkut anjir, nyangkut bro. Attacker jadi attacker ngangengong, gua ngangengong, nggak ngekill lu gua. Astaga, le. Malu kali le, nggak ngekill gua le, minus sudah nih poinnya le.
Keep fighting! Smoke screen released!
Ih, sakit banget ya. Kenapa ya? Kok bisa dedeng-dedeng kayak gitu loh tembakannya loh. Le, malu kali aku le. Masa gak ngekill sama sekali le.
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Alpha.
Asis pula, belum ngekill gua, belum pecah telur le.
Down. We've lost half our reinforcements. Speed up the attack. Allied troops launching an assault
Perang
on
banget
objective
tuh.
Alpha.
Good one! Light screen cover! I'm in for ya!
Smoke barrage ready.
Aduh, masukin gak sih A? Pusing kali aku Wak, sumpah dah Wak. Belum ngekill le, malu-maluin aja le, belum ngekill le.
Enemy down!
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Alpha.
Nggak apa-apa, yang penting udah ngekill guys ya. Pecah telur 3 ya. Dua game di awal sangat-sangat bagus loh. Nah, ini kenapa ini malah kayak gini loh.
Allied troops neutralizing objective Alpha.
Mana yang nggak ada yang bisa nembusin A lagi bro.
Troop force at 25%. Stay sharp.
Anjir. Nggak tahu lah guys, pusing guys. Apa tuh katanya tuh? Maju lah. Gue udah maju lah ya, tadi gue paling depan malah tuh.
We're halfway there. Victory is near.
That was close.
Anjir.
Break through enemy lines or we risk losing.
Duh, sorry guys. Match ketiga malah hancur loh, le.
Allied troops engaging in objective Alpha. Strengthen the offensive.
Buset, jagoan emang, jago semua ini.
Come to support. Copy. Vehicle drop to designated location.
Good to have you. Thanks a lot. Target down.
Allied troops neutralizing objective Alpha. Emergency reinforcements are needed.
Oke lah, nggak apa-apa lah, minus lah. Di match ini minus nggak apa-apa ya.
Pick down.
Ngelek banget le.
Artillery barrage incoming.
Mantap.
Operation failed. Move out, operator.
Enakan mah defender ya, sorry dah. Minus berapa ini gua? 4.000 doang le. $300 doang lu skornya bro, minus 3. Jangan di map itu nggak sih, nggak enak bro. Lu nggak bisa lagi.
Back on your feet, mate.
Super babam. Scooper gaban. Scooper babam. Kreket lagi nggak apa-apa deh.
War has torn this land apart, leaving it cracked.
Kreket mapnya terang bro tuh. Apa ini guys?
Allied forces in
Tiba-tiba udah main gini guys.
Defend this sector, whatever it takes.
Kalau pakai smoke tuh bisa diarahin ya. Jadi kita tekan aja guys ininya guys.
Splendid!
Sesuai kita tuh.
Hurry up!
Belok. Ya paham ya.
There's nowhere to retreat. Do not let this sector fall.
Anjir. Macam sih bro.
We cannot lose this critical objective.
That was close!
Ngapain sini truk bro? Ditembakin aja terus. Tembakin terus sampai hancur bro. Dikira PUBG kali. Oh, ini bisa naik ya? Baru tahu gue.
Reloading! Cover me! Keep up fire suppression! Hey, get out of myself, okay?
Enemy is attacking
Wish.
objective Charlie 1.
Smoke
5
barrage
orang
ready.
guys. Happy birthday bro.
Key objectives must remain in our hands.
Bisakah kita menyalip ke atas bro?
This is our last defense. We must hold it.
Goddamn thing! Really close one! Watch out!
Mamam tuh gue meledakin lu. Der. Aduh nggak meledak lagi. Mundur tapi dia. Oh sekali lagi guys. Langsung pada intinya gak sih?
We've got that now!
Kepake lagi.
Nice one, mate!
Hostile tank in the area. Man down.
Enemy has taken objective Charlie 2.
Holding line.
Smoke screen incoming.
Kena tembok. Nembak tembok gua. Oh satu tim itu dia di repep itu dia. Di atas. Gue ke tanknya dulu gak sih? Kasihan teman-teman gue nih.
Objective Charlie 2 lost.
Bokongin ya.
Redeploying!
Secure our last sector, whatever it takes.
Sabar guys.
It's the final line of defense. Hold it at all costs. All units, defend the key objectives.
Mati kau, D rata D.
Requesting artillery support!
Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming. The enemy in objective Charlie 2 has been neutralized. Hurry up!
Dia nggak naruh bikin kan?
defense. Hold it at all costs.
Aduh. Adakah tank lagi, bro?
There's
Dia
nowhere
perang di
to
sini.
retreat to. Do not let this sector fall. The enemy has cleared objective Charlie 1. Need a quick counterattack.
Strategic beacon ready.
Salah pencet.
All units, defend the key objective. Allied forces are clearing objective Charlie 1. Keep suppressing.
Teknik muslihat ya guys ya namanya guys.
Stand your ground. Defend at all costs.
Smash up!
We have cleared objective Charlie 1. Stay sharp.
Mana healing bro? Ada healing bro.
The enemy is severely depleted. Continue to attack and secure this sector.
Jedem. Oh gua kena bro. Gua kira misil temen ya, tapi misil musuh loh.
We crushed the enemy and defended our key objective.
Ya tapi masih ada yang hidup temen gua.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Charlie 1.
Target eliminated!
Kena lagi. Isi darah lama banget ya. Gak apa-apa sih, C1 doang yang kena.
Situation is critical. Stand your ground. Defend at all costs.
Apa ini cok?
Keep up fire suppression!
Oh banyak banget.
Guided missiles launched. Objective Charlie 1 has been captured by the enemy. Adjust tactics. We've lost our supply stack and are down to our last objective. It is crucial that we defend at all costs.
Reload.
Down one!
Hancur lah tempat gue. Kenapa nih tiba-tiba suaranya pelan?
The situation is critical.
Get up!
Stand your
I'll
ground.
fight with you!
Defend at all costs.
Covering nih. Nice, thank you, thank you.
Guided missiles launched.
Nah, bro. Hancur setengah tuh ya. Gue kira ada dua ini ya. Ada dua C4 bro.
The final line of
Sampai
defense.
tuh anjir.
Hold it at all costs.
Aduh. Jangan perang dulu gak sih bro? Itu C2 deh. C2 dimasukin lah.
Secure our last sector, whatever it takes. Objective Charlie 2, lost. Take it back.
Enemy neutralized!
defense and secure the sector. Operation accomplished.
Gue menangnya di kreket mulu ya. 3 game di kreket menang, bro. Mapnya terang sih kalau di sini, guys. Gak suka gue kalau di map gelap gitu. Gak kelihatan, bro. Plus berapa ini ya? 31 kill. 1 kali repack, bro. Plus 20 kali, 12 lah. Ih, 1400, 12 bener. Enggak deh, lebih. 20. Kalau gitu cracketnya terus, bro. Ayo cracket lagi lah.
You broke, mate. I can fix you. Guaranteed to get things done.
Forget about the past.
Nah,
Our clocks may be reset,
Ascension
but
nih,
we can never
Ascension.
go back to yesterday.
Defender enak sih,
Don't
attacker
ask when
juga
the
enak sih
war
ini
will
sini.
end. That's not on Havoc's agenda. The attack on Space City's opening ceremony and bomb at the Tower of Babel launch event have shown us people only
Kita
believe
defender le,
in
bagus le.
brought to them by violence. We have no choice. We must take this fight wherever
Gua
doubt
mending
in our
make ini
great
dulu ya.
cause persists.
Oke, ini udah bener. Ada heli, kalau nggak salah ada heli dah. Adakah heli? Aduh, senjatanya. Sabar le, yang pasti-pasti aja le, tunggu dulu. Kan ada heli kan? Di atasnya tank tuh bro. Mantap bek.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking Objective Alpha.
Stay behind cover!
The enemy is attacking Objective Alpha. Squad stay within the battlefield.
Di kapal masih ada kambing di
The
kapal
enemy
tuh.
has taken Objective Alpha.
Pakai javelin ya buat atas ya. buat heli. Nah, tenang, helinya gue iniin guys.
Take over the vehicle.
Nggak bisa lagi, orang deket nggak bisa, berarti harus ngedeket gua.
The enemy has cleared objective
A-nya dong, jangan dong.
I'm getting tired. Let's end this now.
The light of victory shines upon the spire. Fight!
Astaga, tank dari deket bro.
The enemy has taken objective Bravo 1.
Nggak melihat gua kalau ada tank guys.
Man down!
Kagak sakit ya.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Ayo bro. What the hell man.
The enemy has taken objective Bravo 2. Objective Bravo 2 was captured by enemy forces. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 1.
Giving first aid!
The enemy has taken objective Bravo 1.
Gue tuh kalau mapnya terang tuh bisa main guys. Kalau mapnya gelap nggak bisa gua.
The enemy in objective Bravo 1 has been neutralized. The enemy has suffered minimal losses.
Tadi ada mobil
must
perasaan di
remain
sini ya?
vigilant. The enemy has taken objective Bravo 1. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 1.
Tank kayak itu tadi gue lihat. Bener kan tank kan?
The enemy has cleared objective Bravo 1. Objective Bravo 1 has been captured by the enemy.
anjay. Kegancur bre.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Tango down!
Objective Bravo 2 lost.
Man down! Enemy contact! I'm reloading! Loading new ammo!
Be advised, our forces have secured objective Bravo 2.
Jago banget ya.
Allied forces are clearing objective Bravo 1.
B2 aja dong, Le.
Objective Bravo 2 lost.
Gue baru pengen naruh inian bikin gede.
Allied forces are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Ya, dapet ya guys, ya siap.
Fight to the bitter end.
Ini.
Target down.
Liftnya harus kita pakai guys.
Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
Mana sih ini ya, naik ini ya? Hahaha. Makan tuh ya, gue ngurusin lift aja bodo amat guys. Mati juga nggak ngapa-ngapain bener gue. Selamat gue. Ya nggak bisa lompat-lompat ya.
The enemy has taken objective Charlie 2.
Yang penting kagak ada tank yang naik ya. Ngapa jadi nembakin gue belum?
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Charlie 1.
Aduh, kena lagi.
Objective Charlie 1 lost.
Changing back!
They sustained minimal losses. We need to keep defending the sector.
Nyayur le. Kena pula gua. Padahal dia enak-enak nyayur tuh.
Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Charlie 1.
Ayo dong, jangan perang dulu dong. Please bro.
Objective Charlie 2 lost. The enemy has taken objective Charlie 2.
Alright, I'm back.
Allied forces are attacking
Nah, ini nggak
objective
sih, nggak usah
Charlie
kemana-mana
2.
bro.
Let's fight back.
Aduh, udah pengen zuhur guys.
Allied forces are attacking objective Charlie 2.
Udah pengen zuhur bro, nggak sadar gua. Udah ini last ini last.
Enemy has taken objective 1. We have cleared objective Charlie 2. Press on. Objective Charlie 1 lost.
I'm reloading.
Our forces have taken full control of objective Charlie 2. They've lost more than half of their troops. Maintain defensive lines. The enemy has taken objective Charlie 2.
Where are they hiding? Come on, stay on your feet. I'll do better to
The enemy has taken objective Charlie 2. Allied forces are attacking objective Charlie 1. Do not report casualties. Just make sure the Spire remains standing. Stop them from taking this sector at all costs.
back in action.
Artillery barrage ready.
This is our last defense. We must hold it. situation is critical. Stand your ground. Defend at all costs.
Enemy off balance!
Friendly down!
Secure our last sector, whatever it takes. This is our last position. Secure it with all you've got.
I'll fight with you!
Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming.
Changing back!
Garage wide open!
Secure our last sector, whatever it takes. This is the final line of defense. Hold it at all costs. Half of the enemy troops remain. Keep defending and hold them off. Strategic beacon deployed. Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming. The situation is critical. Stand your ground. Defend at all costs.
Artillery barrage.
Come to my aid!
The enemy has taken objective Delta 1. Keep alert.
Enemy target down!
Loading new bag!
Strategic beacon deployed. There's nowhere to retreat to. Do
Twisting
not
artillery
let this
barrage!
sector fall. Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming.
Target off balance! This way!
Secure our last sector, whatever it takes.
Enemy neutralized!
Strategic beacon deployed.
Enemy down!
All units, prepare to counterattack. We must not allow the enemy to destroy the spire.
Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
Missiles launched. Strategic beacon deployed.
Thanks!
Defend with all your might. We can't let them call in any more missiles. Secure our last sector, whatever it takes. We have lost all sectors. Operation failed. Extract immediately.
Halo bang, tadi ada siapa itu? Halo bang, halo. Dah kenapa ya? Terakhir itu naruh beaconnya di bawah lu, kocak banget ya. Impostor kah dia, impostor tuh. Tapi oke lah ya, lumayan lah ya. Berapa poin tadi itu? Harusnya dapat poin banyak sini. 20 mungkin ya. 12 deh. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Oke guys, jadi mungkin gua akhiri sampai di sini aja ya guys ya. Terima kasih banyak ya guys ya buat kalian yang udah nonton live ini. Yang udah like tuh ada berapa? Ada 3 tuh, lumayan ya guys ya. Terima kasih banyak ya guys ya. Tadi juga ada siapa ya tadi ya komen tuh coy. Oh ada Bang Agustiar ya, pertama Cihuy, terus juga ada Bang Galang ya. Terima kasih banyak ya Bang ya. Terima kasih banyak semuanya sudah mampir. Sampai jumpa di live besok mungkin ya. Sampai jumpa di live besok. Semoga kalian semua yang nonton, yang mampir, yang join, yang like, yang komen, yang share, yang subscribe, semoga kalian semua panjang umur, sehat selalu, banyak rezekinya ya guys ya. Sampai jumpa di live besok. Mohon maaf bila ada salah-salah kata. Bye bye. Thank you guys. Bye bye.